So my name is Olivier Mugli. I'm the president and CEO of Winpak and have been in that position since 2017. Winpak's considered a packaging company, but we like to say that our purpose and our goal in life is actually to extend the shelf life of food products, or make sure that pharmaceutical products keep their efficiencies until the moment they're used by patients, or the sterility of the products we provide to operating rooms. But we want to do that by minimizing the environmental footprint of what we do. So it's all about minimizing the amount of material, minimizing energy, making sure that what we do is recyclable or compostable or has a nice end of life, and really drive that part of our activity more so than just saying we're a packaging company or a plastics film company. A lot of it has to do with designing materials and solutions that can be recycled. That's a big part of what we do, and a lot of the investment effort in R&D and processing. But by the same token, we're also not leaving any stones unturned on any of the activities we do. It starts with the energy and the processes we use in our own plants. How can we reduce that? Starts with light, starts with making sure there's no thermal waste anywhere on our lines, that we have the most optimal processes, that the motors we use are the most effective, that all the ancillary equipment, whether it's to cool or heat, are as efficient as possible, so that overall we really constantly and permanently work at reducing our environmental footprint in every step of what we do, including we're encouraging our employees to use soft modes of transportation coming to work and those kinds of things. So every part counts, every aspect of our activity is essential.
I think most people in this plant feel the same way. We want to keep this planet the way we found it. People, I think, as they learn more about it, they want to do more. We've also we started a compost program within the building where we have different garbages for composting now. It started out very small. Now we find we have more and more cans that are filling up more and more. So we're involved with Winnipeg Compost on that. We started out with about 4 garbage cans. I think we're up to about 12 garbage cans that get emptied on a weekly basis here now.
Doesn't matter what I say, if it's not lived by the 2,700 people we have at Winpak, it's pointless. I think by and large, if there is an easy argument to make, and if there is an easy way to motivate people, it is about doing the right thing from an environmental standpoint, from a sustainability standpoint, from a DEI standpoint. All those factors are actually things that people in general find attractive. And quite frankly, it also, being very active and being very present on those dimensions make us also as an employer an attractive employer. Because if you just tell people, hey, I'm in the plastics industry, come join us, that may raise some ancillary questions. But when they listen to the Winpak story, when they see what we do and how serious we are about it, genuine we are about it, it's actually a pretty good story. And so it is important to maintain our workforce, certainly engaged, but they're very happy to engage on that particular dimension. But it is also a very strong story in terms of making us attractive as an employer of the future. And again, I think personally, there is no other way of looking at an activity but trying to minimize its impact on the environment and nature at large, and trying to have as beneficial an impact on the society we're in, the communities we're in, as we can.
When I first started, I didn't hear, it wasn't a big thing that was out there, but compared to now, it's almost an everyday talk about this environment, and sustainability is like coffee break talk now.
This is a positive thing. It's a good thing to do. But I would also, just a caution on the fact that this is not an achievement. This is just a step in the right direction, and that journey is still a very long journey ahead of us. So there's lots more to do. But it's nice to get some tap on the shoulders and kudos on the way, because it reinforces the fact that it's the right thing to do. It's the right way to go.